Hey there, how's it going? I decided to do a quick video on this just because it saves time for everybody. Now, I took a look at the website and everything seems to be okay. I see a slider here, I see some basic information, but what I was concerned with was the fact that there's no call to action. A call to action means if there's, words that say new facility, there should be a button here saying come in so you can actually book a reservation, book an appointment, and book some treatment or attend a class. And there wasn't any of that. When I first landed here, I didn't know that that was being offered until I came here, which is awesome. There's a lot of information and a lot of services I can have, but if it's not conveyed from the beginning, it's hard for me to book anything. So it's almost like you're asking a lot for me to do anything. And there's nothing saying I can come in, there's no address here, I don't know what to do. It's not easy to find the address, map, this really isn't appealing. But what I'm more concerned with is looking at the traffic side of things and not really the design. There's a lot of things we can look at, but just to make this quick, let's just talk about the traffic. So here's a site called semrush.com, and I already did this, but what I'm doing is I can put in any website I want, and I can see how much searches that website gets per month, and I can see where those searches are coming from, which keywords are responsible for bringing people to our website. And we already seen that it's hard to know where to go on the website, as in how do I sign up for a class or how do I come in for an appointment or a treatment. But also too, let's look at the keywords. So here shows how much traffic we receive on a monthly basis, and right now it's looking as if we are getting 121 visitors every single month. Cool. But when we look closely, we'll see that 43% of our traffic is coming from these keywords. Integrative Wellness Center. That's good. That means, people are coming to our site. But the issue isn't if people are coming to our site or not, it's if the right people are coming to our site. Now, someone searching Integrative Wellness Center could be from Ohio, Florida, California. It's not really that targeted. It's targeted enough where the interest, the problem's there. Someone searching Integrative Wellness Center probably needs to use one of these services, but having the right location, in Cape Cod, it makes the biggest difference. So if we add up all these 4 keywords, the top 4, it's over 80% of our traffic. And Integrated Wellness Center, Holistic Wellness Center, these aren't really targeted keywords. Keywords that we actually want to rank for are, if you go down, Cape Cod Health Center, okay? We're on page 9 for that, and that brings in 50 searches a month. That's something that we should be going after instead of the other ones, okay? 80% of our traffic is coming from the wrong keywords, and that's why we get some visitors every single month, but we're not getting any people coming in, right? The key is to get people to come in. So I want to give you an example. If I type in Cape Cod Health Center, I went incognito because sometimes. So here, when we're searching Cape Cod Health Center, what we want to see is our business on here, because our business, one of them, I believe, from what I know, is located in Cape Cod. We should be showing up for that. Anything Cape Cod related and health related, anything Cape Cod related with traffic related, some kind of class related, yoga related, anything with medical, marijuana related. I've seen that was one of our programs. Anything that's related to what we are offering with Cape Cod should be coming up. Now there's hundreds of keywords that can bring in traffic for us. There's plenty of them. This is just one of them. It's just an example of why we're not getting as much business as we can be. If you understand how this works, you'll see the power in this. Because it looks as if this was the only way. There's 2 sources of traffic. There's either using paid traffic, such as PPC, Facebook ads, or any kind of advertising that you put money in. Then there's also organic traffic, which means people searching keywords and people looking through online and just stumbling upon your website. Now, the people stumbling on our website aren't local, which is the biggest reason why we're not getting as much visitors as we can be. So the goal would be, it's not just to get traffic and people on the site, but it's to get people to come in And the best way to do that, the best way to accomplish that, is to go after keywords that are literally responsible for bringing people within Cape Cod. I think we had 5 service areas. Let's look at them. We would do keyword research, so we would do the same process, but we would also look for keywords such as Hyannis, Osterville, Centerville. This one's, for instance, located in Barnstable, Yarmouth. This is what we would do. We would target all these keywords. We would have certain pages created, basically representing these keywords. You can track all this information, every single keyword. It's all data orientated, so everything can be tracked, everything can be managed. It's very, very, very not easy, but it's very simple once you understand what to focus on, okay? So there's actually more stuff that we need to look at that we just do not have time for. Stuff regarding the website, like for example, if you look at it mobile, you can see here the slide is not really that attractive. This doesn't look clickable, but it actually is, right? But it doesn't look like it is. This should be more of a sales pitch offering the services to come in. There should be more, like I seen a picture, an image of the staff. It should be a lot larger. There's also, little smaller things. These are all smaller things that can be fixed just through, some quick, login and stuff like that, logging in and getting it fixed. But other than that, the majority of what we're really concerned about is making sure the traffic is local, okay? So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you've watched this, thank you so much. And look forward to hearing from you, okay? Have a wonderful day and talk to you soon.